Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best jean apron for hairstylists, the Jowcud Denim Apron with 5 pockets. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and highly functional apron, this one is definitely worth your attention. This apron is crafted from high-quality cotton denim, making it thicker and more durable than your typical polyester apron. The fabric strikes a great balance between softness and sturdiness, so it feels comfortable on the skin while standing up to the rigors of daily use. Whether you're cutting hair, cooking, gardening, or working on any craft, this apron offers reliable protection and style. One of the standout features is the thoughtfully designed pocket layout. Right in the center over the chest, there's a large pocket perfect for keeping your most used tools close at hand. On the right side, a small pen pocket is built in, ideal for pens or small items you might need to grab quickly. Below, there are 3 deep utility pockets, providing ample space to store everything from scissors and combs to gardening shears or art supplies. This pocket configuration makes it incredibly versatile for hairstylists, baristas, chefs, artists, and more. The fit of this apron is another highlight. It comes with an adjustable neck strap and waist strap, allowing you to customize the size for maximum comfort. The design suits both men and women and fits most body types. Additionally, the cross-back strap design helps reduce neck strain, which is a real plus for anyone wearing the apron for long hours. Visually, this apron has a vintage vibe, thanks to a small distressed hole on the pocket that adds character without compromising functionality. The metal buckles and rivets not only reinforce durability but also contribute to its rugged, stylish look. Whether you're working in a salon, kitchen, workshop, or garden, this apron maintains a professional yet fashionable appearance. Care is simple with machine washability, and despite its denim material, it remains easy to maintain without worrying about quick fading or wear. In summary, the Jowcud Denim Apron with 5 pockets blends durability, functionality, and style in a way that truly stands out. Its adjustable fit, multiple practical pockets, and quality materials make it the perfect companion for hairstylists and creatives alike who need both protection and convenience. That wraps up our review of the best jean apron for hairstylists. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.